Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, and welcome to English Chats Daily. My name is Eva.
And hello from me. I am George. We are very happy you are learning English with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a wonderful topic for you. We are going to talk about the place where you live.
That's right. We will learn how to talk about your city or your town in English.
This is a great way to practice speaking. And don't worry, we will use simple words and speak very slowly.
Exactly. The goal is to feel confident. So let's begin.
Okay, George. First question. Where do you live? Do you live in a city or a town?
I live in a town. It is a small town.
A small town. Okay. And I live in a city, a big city.
Right. So what is the difference? A city is usually big.
Yes, a city is a big place with many people and many buildings.
And a town is small, smaller than a city.
Exactly. So for our listeners, think about your home. Do you live in a city or do you live in a town?
Let's practice the sentences. You can repeat after me. I live in a city.
Now repeat after me. I live in a town.
You can also say if it is big or small. For example, I live in a big city.
Or I live in a small town.
Great job. That is the first step. Very simple.
Okay, now let's talk about the places in a city or town. There are many common places.
Like a park, for example. Eva, is there a park in your city?
Yes, there are many parks in my city. I like to go to the park near my home.
That's nice. In my town, there's one big park. A park is a place with trees and grass.
Yes. So to talk about a place, you can say there is a, for example, there is a park.
You can also say, in my town, there is a park.
Or in my city, there is a hospital.
You are doing a great job. It's okay to speak slowly. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
That's so true. Okay, George, let's move on. Let's talk about transport. How do we move around in a city or a town?
Good question. In my small town, I often walk. I walk to the shops, I walk to the park.
Walking is great. My city is very big, so I can't always walk. I often use the bus.
Ah, the bus. So you can say, I go by bus.
Exactly. Or if you use a train, you say, I go by train.
And many people have a car. They say, I go by car.
So we have 4 easy options: walk, by bus, by train, or by car.
Let's practice these. This is very useful for daily conversation. Please repeat after us.
I go to work by bus.
I go to school by train.
I go to the market by car.
I walk to the park.
Wonderful. Notice for walk, we don't say by, we just say I walk.
That's a good point, Eva. So think about your life. How do you go to work? How do you go to the shops?
Try to make a sentence for yourself. I go by. It's great practice.
You're doing so well.
Okay, for our last part, let's talk about what we like about our city or town. This is a nice way to share your feelings.
Good idea. So, Eva, what do you like about your city?
I like my city because it is beautiful. There are many old buildings and nice parks.
Beautiful. That's a lovely word. What about me? I like my town because it is quiet.
Quiet, yes. Towns are often quiet. Cities are usually not quiet. My city is busy.
Busy. That's another good word. It means there are many people and cars and things happening.
Let's give our listeners a few more words they can use. How about clean?
Clean is a great word. You can say, my town is clean.
Or friendly. The people in my city are friendly. Friendly means they're nice and they smile.
Friendly people are the best. So let's practice the full sentence structure. I like my town because it is...
Okay, let's do it. Please repeat, everyone.
I like my town because it is quiet.
I like my city because it is busy.
I like my town because it is clean.
I like my city because it is beautiful.
I like my town because the people are friendly.
That was fantastic. Now you can really say a lot about your home.
You have learned so much today. Let's do a quick review.
First, we learned how to say where you live. I live in a city or I live in a town.
Then we learn names for common places: park, market, school, and hospital, and how to say there is a.
Next, we talked about transport. You can say, I go by bus, I go by car, or I walk.
And finally, we learned how to say what you like about your home. I like my city because it is beautiful.
You have done a really amazing job today. The most important thing now is to practice.
That's right. So today, try to talk about your city or town. You can talk to a friend or even just to yourself in the mirror.
Yes, use the simple sentences you learned today. Say them out loud. Remember to speak slowly. It's not a race.
You are building your confidence one word at a time. Keep up the wonderful work.
Thank you for listening to English Chats Daily. We are so happy to help you on your English journey.
Join us again next time for another lesson. Until then, goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy practicing.